Yo, what's up, boys? How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are living right. I'm currently on the highway, probably about. But in today's video, we're going to one of the best gated communities in Lusaka, Zambia, called Kingsland City. If you guys love real estate, make sure you watch this video until the end because this place is gorgeous. This place is breathtaking. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I just reached Kingsland City.
Your destination is on the right.
Ninchiva. So it's basically off Twin Palm Road for those of you that might want to know exactly. So it's off Twin Palm Road. Hi. Here in Lusaka, Zambia. So this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is the entrance of the gated community. Sorry about the camera skills. I did not come with an extra person to help me film, but hopefully I'll find one. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this right here is Kingsland City. To me, it's probably one of the best gated communities here in Lusaka, Zambia. There are a couple of few gated communities, yes, but you see, this one really stands out because of all the greenery. It's super green, it's just super nice, it looks super cool, there's so much fresh air here. So first and foremost, I will first need to go to the offices and just grab somebody to tour me around. So make sure you guys watch this video until the end. There's so much to see. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. You see, guys, my vision for real estate kind of looks like this. Kingsland City. We're about to flip a bag. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm currently in their offices and I'm just taking a look at a few module scales of the houses that have been built here. So like this one, for example, I believe it's a 3-bedroom house, and then there are others, 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and so on and so forth. But then I think the smallest that you can find in this area is a 2 bedrooms, and then you can go all the way up to even 10 bedrooms on where they have a certain site where they just build large properties. So this right here is the module scale of the whole entire gated community. It's so beautiful, it's so big, even just the module size of it is really interesting and amazing. You can really see everything come to life. So there's going to be so many things here, universities, there's going to be shopping malls, schools, and so on and so forth, just within this gated community. So it's a great place to actually invest, buy property, and that's basically what I'm going to do for myself personally. So I mean, if you know, such places in Zambia, there are not many, but many of them are still coming. So it's best you start investing now, no matter how much it is. You buy one, flip it in a couple of years, and that's bank. So ladies and gentlemen, they have so many different kinds of variations of properties where we have 2 bedrooms semi-detached flats, 3 bedrooms semi-detached flats, we have 2 bedrooms standalone, 3 bedrooms standalone, 4 bedrooms like that, semi-detached, and so on and so forth, all the way up to you can literally have a house made even for 12 bedrooms, 12 bedrooms house made in the area, in the developing area where they're developing really huge houses. We're going to be going there in the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, so like this, for example, I believe is a 3 bedrooms, as you guys can see. But then what I basically wanted to take a look at, even in the inside, was the 2-bedroom arrangement, the 2-bedroom apartment. So this right here, a semi-detached 2-bedroom flats. Now they're really cool. I mean, it's all about the area for me. So as you guys can see, it's really beautiful, gorgeous. The greenery is perfect, as you guys can see. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is inside the showroom of a 2-bedroom apartment. It's super cool. They have done their their furniture. It's basically just a showroom, just to show you how how pretty and beautiful everything can come to light if you had to purchase the property. So the 2 bedrooms is also the cheapest property around here. starting from about $65,000, if I'm not mistaken, $65,000, which to me is actually very affordable. If you ask me, it's very much affordable. It's very much affordable because of the area, as you guys can see. So we're going to go upstairs. There are 2 bedrooms upstairs. Down there is the living room, and we have the kitchen. And then upstairs we have 2 bedrooms. Downstairs we have the living room, and then we have the kitchen, and then we also have a bathroom and a toilet downstairs. Then upstairs we have 2 bedrooms. We have one master, self-contained, and then we have another one that has no bathroom. So as you guys can see, it has all the drawers laid out. I mean, there's enough room to stock your blankets or stock your clothing and so on and so forth. So this right here is the master bedroom. As you guys can see, this is the master bedroom, has the jacuzzi, and it also has a balcony. The master has the balcony, as you guys can see, and it simply gives you the view of the twin palm road. That's the road I came with. So these ones I'm looking at basically are very close to the road. Okay, so it has a balcony there. It has the bathroom there, as you guys can see. This is beautiful, actually. I love the kind of marble they used. It's just so nice. So this is inside the wardrobes. They have a whole lined up wardrobe. This right here is the bathroom, as you guys can see. So we're going to check out the other bedroom. As you guys can see, this is the other bedroom. This does not have self-contained. I just really wish I was using an HD camera, but I know this is still great. So as you guys can see, this other bedroom just gives you the view of the roadside and also, the entrance of the apartment. Yeah. All right, so guys, I'm basically going to go downstairs now. It's so beautiful. Even the kind of wood they used for the stairs, look at that. This is beautiful wood. Everything is so elegant, so perspicacious. So as you guys can see, this is the showroom, the way they have everything. They'll show you, oh, this is the kitchen. You're gonna see the washer there, the fridge, and then the bathroom there. So this is the kitchen area.
It's fine.
Okay.
I just kind of forgot my tripod home. Right now, it's just easier for you to record.
All right.
So these here are 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, these are 3 bedrooms, semi-detached, and that's a 3-bedroom standalone.
Okay.
This one here.
This one here.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So the site that is now ready for handover.
Okay.
So you'll be handing over some of the properties very soon.
That's very interesting. How big is this place?
About 4 million square meters.
Jesus Christ.
Mm-hmm.
And future project, universities?
Yeah, so we're setting the amenities. We are setting next year, beginning of next year.
That is very interesting.
Yeah, we drive straight up.
I see myself living here, actually.
Should get one for yourself.
Yeah, just hits them. I like that.
Straight up.
Wow. Pretty houses.
Yep.
So many people have come through, bought.
So far we have we've sold so far about 500 houses.
500 homes.
Yeah.
Wait, how many
'Cause,
homes do you have if you had to estimate?
So far we've done about 800.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's great.
So this is 6-bedroom house. Okay.
So
this is like one of the bigger properties that we have here.
Really cool and stuff.
Yeah. Even 3 bedrooms, there are some that have got pools. Yeah.
Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Then these, the ones I'm looking at here?
These are 3 bedrooms standalone.
Standalone.
Yes.
Oh, with these you have the liberty to actually make your own pool, right? The summer
Yes,
space.
yes.
That one has a pool, actually.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Then the price range for this?
Yeah, they start from 140.
140,000.
So since you're into real estate, so what kind of clients do you normally have?
Oh, I have really big clients, actually. So with me, probably developing, or maybe start developing after next month.
You have an area that you want to develop?
I have a developing site, yes.
Where is it?
That's in 10 miles.
Oh, okay. And how big is it?
Oh, it's, how many hectares? Yeah.
You're right.
So I'm going to start off small.
Right, okay.
But it's very promising actually, because what I've been doing is buy out land at about
35,000
Yeah, 35,000.
kwacha?
Kwacha, yeah, just kwacha.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's okay. I would also call it. I have a great network of people. Yeah, so it was kind of very easy for me to get around the whole thing. I really got a great deal. I made myself some good money.
Okay, so this is an area where we build like the bigger properties.
Oh.
Yeah, like 5 bedrooms, 6, you know.
This is really nice. Yeah, really, really nice.
So it goes this road goes all the way up to the roundabout, so you can just drive through.
Oh, there's a roundabout.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. It's still being built, huh?
Yeah.
It's really nice. That's my goal.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we're basically just driving through, and she's showing me around. She's showing me around this beautiful, gorgeous place. As you guys can see, the trees are just everywhere. The trees are just basically everywhere. It's really nice. It's really, the breeze is just different. Oh, the greenery, the pathwalks. So we're just going to go straight up to a roundabout, and then we're going to head to the park. They also have a park. You guys are going to see that soon.
Of them, because I had this friend. He's a trader from Zimbabwe. He told me he's bought property in Kingsland City.
Okay.
So if you have probably have Zimbabwean delegates here, and I'm certain he's one of them. Okay, yeah. So
you take your left. Left, not right.
Alright guys, so this right here now is the roundabout. So we're just going to take a left and go down the road to where the park is. So just look at how beautiful it is, all the pathways. Alright guys, so this is their park right here. It's their park. You can come here if you live around the area, or even if you don't. Actually, I'm told there's an amount that you pay. I didn't ask too much about that, but there's also a stage for people that do concerts and stuff like that. They have parties here. So this is the park. Very beautiful. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so now we are heading back. I'm actually heading back out. I just hope you guys really enjoyed the video and really saw these amazing properties. So just as I said, the price range can start from 65,000, but it's actually negotiable. So let's just estimate it at $63,000 and above. You could get property here for $500,000, $1 million, more than $1 million. It just depends on how much your pocket can carry, and you can have your house here. So as you guys can see, we're back from where we started. Really, really gorgeous houses. I personally just can't get enough of them. I really do see myself living here in a few months, or maybe even a few years. or days, who knows.
Alright guys, now leaving Kingsland City. We have done what we needed to do. This place is freaking gorgeous, guys. I see myself living here. I do see myself living here.
So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I will be going to more beautiful areas here in Lusaka, Zambia on my real estate playlist. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.